Hey guys, so today we're going to make an extra creamy baked mac and cheese. So let's start by making the cheese sauce. I'm going to put here 1 stick of butter and we're going to melt that down. Once the butter is melted, I started putting by 1 tablespoon scoop of flour. I break it down to see how loose or thick it is. If it's too loose like it is here, I'm going to add another spoonful of flour. You want this to look kind of pasty but not too thick. This is going to be your base. This is what you call a roux, and this is what's going to thicken our cheese sauce. After cooking the roux for a couple minutes, we're going to pour 1 quart of room temperature heavy cream or whole milk. Make sure you're stirring as you pour. You do not want this to clump up. So now let's season our cream with a little garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. I add salt until after the cheeses. Use any seasonings you like. Okay, so now we're going to add our cheeses. The sauce is going to start thickening, but continue stirring. I put half and half. I put about 1.5 pounds of mixed Mexican blend cheese. That's what I use. Use any cheese you want. That's what I'm using today. You're going to stir that in. It's going to be stringy at first, but constantly stir it until you get a nice creamy texture. So as you continue to stir, the sauce is going to start to get creamier and not as stringy. You're going to add your salt to preference. If you need more seasoning, this is where you would do it. And as it continues cooking, you're going to see the cheese start breaking down. It's not going to be as stringy. Here's a spoon for reference. This sauce can really be used in many recipes. So now it's mixing time. 2 pounds of pasta, pour your sauce. If you want to add meats, more cheese, veggies, this would be the time. Stir it up and make sure it's fully coated. So now I'm going to place it in my casserole and top it off with some cheese. You can also top it off with breadcrumbs as well. Cook that at 450 for 20 minutes. And voila, here it is, guys. Extra creamy baked mac and cheese. This was so delicious and ready to eat. I didn't even have time to show up plating. Let me know if you tried it. Bye.